in place like Bombay, I feel, people don't even know some of these art forms exist. And they're really fascinated seeing them, that is this really our Indian art, our culture, which is there. And many people come and appreciate. And a lot of them have bought, these artworks and rather corporate houses. Like, there was one corporate house which I did recently, multiples asset management company. So they did their whole office floor with only tribal art. So people coming to their offices also odd, seeing, okay, people come from all over the world. And they see, that these art forms are from India. So they're really fascinated कि ऐसा भी कुछ है India में. So we're trying to help these art forms, survive rather, I would say, because many of them are dying off because they are not paid. Their next generation is not coming into this profession. I asked one of them why. They said, art हम जब बनाएंगे बिकेगा तब पैसा मिलेगा. But when we are working, I know end of the month I'm going to get my salary. So this is like, we really need to help them come up with how we can, sustain their lifestyle also and help them grow. Indian art is so popular across the world, as much it's not in India. I mean, I don't know whether I should say it or not, but I feel that. Because we get a lot of people from, when I met tribal artists, they all said that हम Japan में 11 महीना रहे and they've been 11 times. The Madhubani artist, she's been to Japan 11 times and stayed there, and they have a museum there. Like same thing in Korea. The Bali artists have made museums over there, work in art museums over there. इंडिया में तो कोई उनको बेचारों को पूछता ही नहीं है कि ये तो ओके ठीक है, ये लाइन ही तो खींची है और क्या करा है. But not realizing how much of effort goes, they are visualizing. And with technology coming in is the biggest, both is benefited and harmed them. Because today to do any of the tribal art is very easy for them to copy, any artist to copy. And they will sell it for maybe, 1/10 the price. But what if they are not using anything, just doing copy paste? So, this is how we need something where we can help these artists, retain their originality and go ahead, move ahead, with times.